Hi, this is the Gum Gum Show, part 3. Hi, I hold the cat that we did last time. So, as I was saying, we got the cat last time, but I accidentally hit the off button. So, kind of a weird ending. But anyways, let's do this is part 3. Put my purple plate over there. Next, we're gonna open the green egg. Sounds good. Oh! Ugh. So, let's open up all of this. So we got the green off. Put that over there. See what's up. Open it. Yay! So we got Casper Cap. That's good, right? So we got, probably can't see it. I'll stack him on top of the middle one. That's good. Nope, not good. Can you see it? Barely. Well, here he is. I'll put. Okay, who needs that? Yeah. Got little old me. Cupcake cheek. So let's put him back here. Cupcake cheek aside. So I'm going to get the cards. So let's get Casper Cap. And put him aside in the pile. He's probably in the way bottom. Yes, he is in the way bottom. Okay, so we got Casper Cap 2. So if you guys haven't seen him, he has Play-Doh on him. He has a little tie in the back. None of you guys saw him. It's like peace to the trays. Little face on the front. And yeah, he's a really cool one. He's very fat. So yeah, we'll put the matches that we didn't make over here on the side. So that was 2 minutes already. Wow. So hope you guys see part 4. And close my eggs up. We will see you next time. Bye. And Mom Daddy Show.